Well, here's Johnny Rose's new 360. It's all new and rebuilt. This engine has the sealed power H11CP30 pistons in it, and with this setup with the 596 heads, it works out to 9 1/4 to 1 compression. The heads are rebuilt, and they've actually got the 202 valves in them as well, so that's a bonus. The cam specs, it's a Summit cam, 480 lift on both intake and exhaust, 228 duration at 50. I broke the cam in last night, and I thought we'd just start her up here for Johnny, and you can see how it sounds. The 750 carb is a little bit rich for this, but still works good for this for now. Run it at 34 degrees, advanced oil pressure at 67, 68. It's starting to warm up. That's in Celsius. Cam has a bit of a lope to it. Sounds pretty good. Actually, idle's pretty good under 600 RPM. I was kind of surprised with that cam. But there you have it.